Hey guys, check out this gas griddle I have here from Bever. Here's everything that came in the box. Okay, step one, we're gonna attach these piece 3s to this piece right here. And we're gonna use these A fasteners. Put this thing through. There we go, got our piece 3s attached. We put a couple fasteners right there and right there. All right, we got all the legs on that piece there. Next step is to install the wheels in the axle too. Got the wheels here. Here's the axle right there. There's gonna be 2 pins too, right through there. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the gas cylinder brackets. And we're gonna use the E fasteners. Okay, next we're gonna install piece 4 and 5. And we're gonna use the C fasteners. First one just goes right there, and the second one's just going to go right in the back there. And tighten these up. Now we're going to go ahead and install these things. Now we're going to use these B fasteners here. Okay, next step is to install the furnace components. So we'll go ahead and put this right in here. We're going to put them in with these ones right here. All right, next step is we're going to put this front cover piece on, and we're going to use this right here. We're going to go right through here and into this hole right there. Okay, we got that one on there, and there's the whole front piece. We just put the handle on there. There's the handle for the top portion. Okay, we're going to go ahead and season it with some coconut oil. Really happy with this Vevor gas griddle. Thanks for watching, everybody.